The Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine ISV100W is a powerful 1000-watt immersion circulator designed for precision cooking. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, it offers remote control through an app with 14 preset recipes and a calibration function for accurate temperature adjustments. Its fast heating and timer features make it ideal for preparing gourmet meals at home, ensuring even cooking. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts or those looking to elevate their culinary skill. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 brings professional-level precision cooking to your kitchen with its powerful 1100-watt heater and Wi-Fi connectivity. This model allows you to control cooking times and temperatures remotely via the Anova app, ensuring restaurant-quality results with ease. Compact and user-friendly, it's ideal for consistently cooking meats, vegetables, and more to perfection. A great choice for home chefs aiming to explore sous vide cooking with precision and co. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Deluxe by Delonghi offers a premium coffee and espresso experience with just one touch. Utilizing Nespresso's centrifusion technology, it brews smooth, crema-topped coffee and bold espresso in multiple sizes, from single shots to 12-ounce brews. Compact and stylish in silver, this 120-volt machine is perfect for any kitchen or office. Designed for ease of use, it's compatible with Nespresso Vertuo capsules, ensuring consistent flavor and quality in every cup. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is a compact and versatile 3-quart electric pressure cooker that combines 7 functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, warming, and sterilizing. Made from durable stainless steel, it's ideal for small kitchens, singles, or small families. With a free app offering over 1,900 recipes, it's designed to simplify meal prep, delivering convenience and delicious results with ease. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a multifunctional 6-quart appliance with 10 cooking functions and 18 advanced features, including a built-in scale and guided cooking technology. Through the connected app, access over 600 recipes with precise preset cooking times and temperatures, ensuring easy, foolproof meals. Ideal for rice, slow cooking, pressure cooking, and more, this smart multi-cooker is designed to elevate cooking with convenience and precision.